Have you ever felt like you've been sold a lie? A lie that says, go to school, get good grades, get a safe job, save 10% of your paycheck, invest in the stock market, and maybe, just maybe, when you are 65 years old, you can retire rich. So hello, friends. Welcome to the Channel Growth Library, where we distill the world's most powerful ideas into actionable insights. Friends, this is what MjDemarco calls the slow lane. It is a gamble with your life, where the prize is being rich only when you are too old to enjoy it. This isn't just a book, it is a wake-up call. Today, we are going to dismantle the get rich slow philosophy and hand you the blueprint to generating massive wealth while you are young, vibrant, and alive. Buckle up. We are leaving the slow lane. Let's start Part 1. The Great Deception, Chapters 1 to 4. The core concept, wealth in a wheelchair. Most financial gurus sell you a dream that looks more like a nightmare. Wealth in a wheelchair. They tell you to sacrifice your happiness today for a payoff 40 years from now. DeMarco argues that if the road to wealth devours your most active adult life, that road is broken. Story. MJ shares his own story. As a teenager, he saw a young guy driving a Lamborghini Countach. He assumed the guy was a famous athlete or actor. When he gathered the courage to ask what the man did for a living, the man replied simply, "I'm an inventor." That moment shattered MJ's reality. He realized you didn't need to be famous or have a 40-year career to drive a Lamborghini. You needed a system. Takeaway: stop trusting the gurus. Most financial gurus didn't get rich by following their own advice, saving coupons, and mutual funds. They got rich by selling books and courses about saving coupons. They are fast laners masquerading as slow laners. Part 2. Wealth is not a road, it's a road trip. Chapters 5 to 9. The core concept, process versus event. We are conditioned to see wealth as an event. We see the multi-million-dollar exit, the dasher, if pick signing the contract, or the lottery winner. We don't see the process, the years of struggle, failure, and late nights that created that event. Lesson. If you chase the event, the money, you will fail. You must fall in love with the process, the work, the roadmap. Metaphor. Your financial life is defined by 3 potential roadmaps. You are currently on one of them. The sidewalk, poverty. The slow lane, mediocrity. The fast lane, wealth. Part 3. The sidewalk, poverty. Chapters 10 to 13. The sidewalker mentality. Sidewalkers live for today. Their financial plan is hope. They spend more than they earn. Important distinction: you can be income rich and still be a sidewalker. If you earn $200,000 a year but spend $210,000 on cars, clothes, and parties to impress people, you are a sidewalker. You are one paycheck away from bankruptcy. The wealth equation for sidewalkers. Wealth the income plus debt lesson. Sidewalkers are victims. They blame the economy, their boss, or their upbringing. To leave the sidewalk, you must take radical responsibility. Part 4. The slow lane, mediocrity. Chapter 14, 18. The slow lane mentality. This is where most of America lives. The slow lane is the responsible path. It's the promise that if you trade your time for money, a job, and save bit by bit, you will eventually be wealthy. The problem with the slow lane: it is based on variables you cannot control. Time. You are trading your life, hours, for dollars. You have a limited supply of time. You cannot work 1,000 hours a day, therefore, your income is capped. Control. You have no control over the stock market, the housing market, or your boss firing you. The uncontrollable limited math, ULM. The slow lane equation is wealth, job salary, plus market investments. DeMarco calls this a bad bet. You are trading 5 days of slavery, Monday, Friday, for 2 days of freedom, the weekend. Takeaway. A job is essentially selling your freedom for security. To get rich, you must divorce your income from your time. Part 5. The Fast Lane, Wealth, Chapters 19 to 24. The Fast Lane definition. The fast lane is a business strategy where you create a system that generates income even when you aren't working. It is about leveraging unlimited math. The new wealth equation. Wealth, net profit plus asset value. Net profit equals units sold, x unit profit. Asset value equals net profit, x industry multiplier. Why this works. In a job, you can't artificially increase your hours, but in a business, you can sell 10,000 units instead of 100. The ceiling is removed. The paradox of practice. To make millions, you must not chase money, you must chase needs. Money is like a mischievous cat. If you chase it, it runs away. If you offer it something of value, solve a problem, it comes to you. Part 6. The Vehicle, You, Chapters 25 to 30. Ownership versus victimhood. You are the driver of your vehicle. Fast laners do not blame, they own their choices. Here 2 crucial concepts. FTE, free time events. Slow laners cherish free time, watching TV, gaming. Fast laners cherish free time events, time spent learning, growing, and building systems. The law of association. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your friends are sidewalkers complaining about the government, you will remain poor. You must align with people who are driving in the fast lane. Part 7. The Roads to Wealth, the CENT's Framework, Chapters 31 to 39. Narrator. Note, this is the most critical section of the book. Listen carefully. To know if a business idea is a true fast lane opportunity, it must pass the 5 commandments of CENTS 1. The commandment of control. C. You must control your business. The trap. Driving for Uber, joining an MLM, multi-level marketing, or relying 100% on Google AdSense. In these scenarios, you are a hitchhiker, not a driver. The platform owner can change the rules and destroy you overnight. The fix. Build your own brand, your own list, your own product. 2. The commandment of entry. E. As entry barriers fall, competition rises. The trap. I'm going to start a blog, or I'm going to drop ship. If anyone can start your business in 10 minutes with around $100, it violates the commandment of entry. It's too easy. The fix. Do what is hard. If it takes specific skills, capital, or complexity to start, you have a moat protecting you. The difficulty is the opportunity. 3. The commandment of need. N. Businesses that solve needs win. Businesses that chase passions fail. Reality check. Do what you love is dangerous advice. No one cares what you love. They care about what you can do for them. The fix. Stop looking for a business idea. Start looking for problems. Pain, inconvenience, bad service, and frustration are gold mines. The commandment of time. T. Your business must be able to detach from your time. The trap. A doctor or lawyer makes good money, but if they stop working, the money stops. They have a job, not a business. The fix. Can your business earn money while you sleep? Use software, employees, or content systems to automate value delivery. The commandment of scale. S. This is the holy grail. Can you impact millions? The law of affection. To make millions, you must affect millions. The math. You can sell a $20 product to 50,000 people, scale, or sell a few $100,000 house to 2 people, magnitude. The fix. If your business is a local coffee shop, your scale is limited to the neighborhood. If you sell coffee online, your scale is the world. Part 8. The speed execution. Chapters 40 into 45. Ideas are worthless. DeMarco famously says, "The owner of an idea is not he who imagines it, but he who executes it." Do not worry about someone stealing your idea. They won't. They are too lazy. Execution is the game.